Kapamilya star Ann Curtis recently organized and sponsored a block screening of Vice Ganda's Metro Manila Film Festival, MMFF, entry, and the breadwinner is at Power Plant Mall in Makati City. Vice Ganda, the lead star of the movie, personally attended the special event, much to the delight of the audience. Joining the celebration was his co-star, Gladys Reyes, who made a surprise appearance during the screening. The heartfelt movie left Ann Curtis and fellow Kapamilya star Kim Chiu in tears, with both expressing their admiration for the film's powerful message and performances.
Sponsor for today. Thank you so much.
Hello? Wow, ang ganda naman.
On-screen partners Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino were also present at the block screening, adding more star power to the event. Other celebrities spotted inside the cinema included Algot Isidro at Enchong Di.
As you can see here, hinihila ni Kim si Paolo papunta kina Vice. Nakakilig lang kasi parang kilos may karapatan. And sila na nga.
Paolo Avellino, Kim Chiu, Ann Curtis, and Vice Ganda. Hi guys! Merry Christmas!
Yay! Congratulations!
After the screening, Vice Ganda joined Ann Curtis, Kim Chiu, and Paolo Avellino for a live interview on TV Patrol. Ann, still emotional from the movie, was seen wiping away her tears as she shared her thoughts.
Talagang tawa ka ng tawa sa una hanggang sa medyo palilim na yung kwento. Ayoko i-spoil para sa lahat, pero grabe, makaka-relate talaga ang mga pamilyang Pilipino.
Kim Chiu, equally moved, praised Vice Ganda for his dramatic performance.
Wala na. Comedy, horror, and drama. Grabe ang drama. Ang isang Vice Ganda ay nagpapaiyak pala.
I want to hear from the drama actor, from the drama.
Paolo Avellino congratulated Vice Ganda not only for his stellar acting, but also for the depth and relatability of the movie storyline.
Tumatagos sa puso yung mga eksena. I'm sure lahat ng tumataguyod ng pamilya or may sinusuportahan na tao sa buhay nila yung makaka-relate dito.
Meanwhile, Vice recounted a hilarious moment involving Ann Curtis, who couldn't hold back her tears during the screening.
Say, talaga!
Kasi kakaibang Vice talaga makikita nyo dito. As in,
Hindi na makakatalaga. Vice, thank you Ann, Kim, Pao, maraming salamat. Merry Christmas. At yan ang latest mula dito.
Dito naman sa video na to, makikita mo si Paolo talagang hinihintay niya si Kim. Inaalalayan niya habang dinudumog ng fans dito si Kim. No need na nga to ask them sa status, real status nila. It's confirmed. Sila na nga. Action speaks louder than words. Malipayang bagong tuig, maligayang bagong taon. Happy New Year, Sinian Kuala, Sini Kuailok. Bye-bye. 再见.